Well, hey guys, in today's video, I want to show you how to fix this. If you have anything in your garage or your basement or anything like that, it looks like a pipe is leaking or sweating right here, I want to show you an easy way that you can fix this.
So I used Great Stuff gap filler. All you have to do is screw on the nozzle, shake up the can, and then begin spraying the foam in the area where there's a crack. It'll take a few minutes to harden up, but this will help close the gap and also save on energy and heating loss, or even close a gap so nothing can get in from outside. This stuff will fill in gaps anywhere you need, whether it's like I'm using it here, whether filling in gaps near windows or door frames, or even a hole from a previous project or something else. This can also be cut and painted to look cleaner if needed. Here's another example of a crack in my basement where some pipes have been, and there used to be pipe filler here, but instead it has worn out, so you just need to go ahead and fill this back in so nothing can get in or out, and again it can close up this hole. So just like before, you will spray the foam in that area and allow it to harden in order to stop these pipes from sweating and also stop any bugs or any heat from getting out. Like I mentioned before, after you let this sit for a little while, then you can paint it or sand it down, whatever you'd like to do to make it look cleaner. And here's what it will look like once it's hardened up. I will have a link for the gap filler I used in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and you can check out another helpful video here, and I will see you over there.